In this video, we're showing you some fixes for Instagram message problems. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like as well. And a really important note as well, this guide is going to work on Android, iPhone, and any phone which can get Instagram on, tablets, etc. It's all going to work. And make sure you watch this video right until the end to the full steps, and let's go and get straight into this. Here we are on Instagram, and let's go and get into some fixes for when your Instagram messages aren't working. So the first thing you want to go and do is just make sure Instagram isn't actually down. That's quite a common issue why your messages aren't working. It's because Instagram's doing a major update or they're just having some downtime. If you want to go and see what other people are experiencing, always drop a comment in the video and go and check for the most recent comments. And as well as that, you can always go and open up your browser and go to a website like Down Detector and go and look for Instagram. As you can see, there's no major peak. There's only 60 in an hour, which to be honest isn't actually that much. And about 40 at the moment, which pretty much shows that it isn't actually a big issue on Instagram, and it's probably more related to your account. The second thing you want to do is you want to go and make sure you've got Instagram fully up to date. So go and open up the App Store just like so and go and search for Instagram. And if there is an available update for Instagram, it's going to go and say update, but it says open, which means I've got the latest version. So a further fix you can go and try is actually go and try Instagram in your web browser. So you can do this on a different device or you can do it on your phone as well. So all you need to do is go and close off of Instagram and go and open up your web browser. And then make sure you go to Instagram.com and go and log into your account. And as you can see, you can then go and use Instagram. And it's completely normal. And then you can go and check your direct messages by clicking on the usual button, and then you can go and see if it's working. And if messages are working on the web version of Instagram, then it's probably an issue with the app. So all you want to do is go and delete the Instagram app, and then you could go and reinstall it, and then you can go and sign in and out again, and hopefully that goes and fixes the issue, especially if it is working on the web version of Instagram. But it may just also be a glitch with the app itself. Definitely worth trying is going and switching to another account, or just go and ask a friend if you don't have another Instagram account to see if they can go and send messages. For example, you can go and contact them on another social media like Snapchat, or you can just go and text them and just go and see if they can go and see if they can send messages as well. If messages are working for other people, then it may be an issue with a few accounts, but there are some of the main fixes you can go and try. If you think there's some downtime, do make sure you put a comment down below so other people can go and see as well. And yeah, I hope you found this video useful. Leave a like for more. Peace.